Well, welcome guys to the PBS Oil Study System this weekend. Thanks for taking your time to watch this. I really appreciate it. And thanks for spending some time with me on your Saturday morning. This is about oil and distribution and how it can affect the market. So most traders are going to open up oil chart Sunday night and ask, one question. Why is oil moving? But analysts don't start with charts. They start with the barrels. And oil trades primarily on supply expectations, and the market is consistently estimating how many barrels could be added to the system or disrupted from it. Here's the scale analysts think about. The cheat sheet in back as well is a really good catalyst for you. And if global supply shifts, by about 1 million barrels per day, or, oil usually moves around 20 to 30 cents about that. And if markets start pricing in about the 5 million barrel of disruption, and oil can move roughly $1 to $2. Okay, not too much. But when major shipping routes or export flows are threatened by the market begins pricing in the tens of millions of barrels or more disruption, then oil can move $5, $10, and even severe situations where it can be pushing towards that $120 range that we're all dreading to see. So depending on how serious the blockages become, we want to watch that. So this weekend, your homework isn't just studying the charts. Your homework this weekend is going to be to watch the shipping routes, watch the straits, the choke points. Those are going to be very important to watch. If those routes stay open and supply confidence remains, strong, oil pressure can ease a little bit and prices can move a little bit lower. Although, if those routes start getting disrupted or blocked, supply tightens very quickly and oil can start pushing higher just very fast. So, say for instance, Iran would get, get into Turkey's ports or something like that. You could see the Turkish Strait might be blocked for a little more, and that's another 10 million barrels of oil. We've already knocked out 20% of oil flow by the Strait of Hormuz being blocked. That's why you're seeing the jump. So that's why, the grid guy behind me is important. Take a hold of that. Please pause the video and take a look at that and watch the OPEC headlines this weekend. Let's watch the shipping routes, and watch geopolitical disruptions. Those are going to be very important to watch for. If export terminals, ports, or shipping lanes start getting threatened, and the market will begin pricing in supply risk almost immediately. And that we'll see Sunday night. And that's why we're going to go live Sunday night to show you that your research is going to pay off for you. By the time the futures market opens Sunday night, the move has already started forming, and you'll see that. So track the news, watch the routes, and try to predict, what markets might do before the chart even opens. And that's what we're going to do Sunday night. We'll be on live a little bit, 10 minutes before opening. We'll be live, like I said, Sunday night. And if you want to trade oil, start thinking the way the analysts think and think in barrels, not just charts. That's important for educational market study. You can reach me at pbssstudysystem at outlook.com. And just remember, you guys, master patience, master discipline, and you will be blessed. Have a blessed day. And do me a favor, do your homework. See you Sunday night. Bye bye.